What is up guys? Today I'm gonna show you 5 games you can play to boost your programming skills. So first up we have JS Dares, which teaches you programming by completing dares. An awesome resource for JavaScripters who are interested in game development. It teaches you how game mechanics work. It starts you off easy and becomes progressively harder to solve. So if you're just starting out with JavaScript or you're interested in game development, I would strongly suggest you check it out. It also comes with a nice set of community contributed challenges for you to solve. Next up we have Untrusted, a very nice, very retro looking game where you get this green character which is you, the player, you get this tiny blue square which is an exit you need to get to, and you get some obstacles you need to avoid or remove in code. This game gives you a very old school hackery vibe, to be honest, and I love it. I just wish it had more levels, but oh well. Each level gets harder with different kinds of challenges for you to solve, and it puts a whole new perspective on problem solving. Definitely give this one a try. Next we have Check.io. It comes with Python and TypeScript. Great for beginners and advanced alike. It feels more like an online course than a game, and the challenges you get are similar to those in competitive programming. Solving these is definitely gonna give you a nice sense of achievement. And if you do solve all of these, you definitely won't be a beginner anymore. You can also compare your solution with others. You can check out what the best solution was, and you can engage in discussion on forums. And for the next one we have Scripts, another fun game for JavaScripters. It's an MMO strategy game, meaning you can play with others. You play as a spawn and you can spawn these creeps. You can give them different names, different roles. You can use them to get resources, you can use them to use resources and make some upgrades. This game basically teaches you how to write scripts, how to write modules, how to use modules, how to write in the console. Honestly, it takes a little while to get used to the game mechanics, but I feel like it would be really fun if you knew how to play it, especially considering you can play against other players. The game looks pretty good, the interface is almost addictive, and you should definitely give this one a shot. And for last but definitely not least, Code Wars. This is basically lead code on steroids. Problems you get here are much of the same you would get on competitive programming platforms. You get so many languages to choose from. You get an awesome documentation, great and intuitive tutorials, and you can compete with other people. If this platform doesn't turn you into an ultimate GigaChat programmer, I don't know what will, honestly. Just look at this. The interface is so nice it makes me wanna stay here all day. And I honestly just might. I think I just found myself a new hobby. Anyway, that would be it for today. If you guys know any games I didn't mention, please drop them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.